Good morning, everybody. So I just came out to give Dita some beet greens, so she's munching down on those, and I've taken her babies. Oh, they found their way underneath the, oh my goodness, where did they go? They sure enough did. They found their way. Oh, well, hello, bunnies. Oh, hi. Oh, let's see. All right. Here's our broken. Isn't it adorable? Yeah, this is our little broken baby. Hers not really broken. That's just what you call the coloring. Is a broken. It's a broken standard Rex. Now let's search for another one here. This one. This is our, look at how big. Look at how big it's gotten. Hi, sweetie. Oh yeah, he or she is ginormous. Just ginormous. Yes, him's ginormous. Well, he says, let me find my way back to the warm. All right. Okay. You guys gotta let me. And here's our Charlie. Look at our Charlie. Charlie is not the bunny's name. Charlie is DNA related. Basically, he doesn't have enough coloring to be called a broken. But if the solid and this one are opposing, hi guys, if they are opposing sexes, if I have a buck and a doe, or a buckling and a doeling, they will be able to provide 100% brokens if I cross them. Aren't they adorable? Aren't they adorable, my little Easter bunny rabbits? Yeah. So it is an absolute myth that you cannot touch bunnies when they're babies, that the mama will reject them afterwards. It's a complete falsehood. Hi guys, it's super important because for you to get to know them and them feel your touch and are okay with your touch. So hi babies. Aren't they adorable? Look at this. Mama's sitting there looking at us like, hey, you got my babies? You got my babies in there? Oh, she's already done with her beet greens. All right, well, just thought I'd show you the quick little update of these cuties. Oh my goodness, I can't wait till they're, oh look, his eyes are open. Oh, hi, baby. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Let me see. Let me see those eyes. Oh, look. Oh, look. He says, hey, it's bright out there. It's super bright out there. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and stick them back in their nest.